Now, be clever now and write those coordinate pairs in. I'm going to write those coordinate pair, the values that I found in here now.
Yes.
My y value is -5. I just proved it over here. And my x value I just found to be -2. Okay, goodness, your second part is now asking the question that I wanted to know from you about the diagonals. They're talking about the midpoint here as M, the midpoint, the point where the diagonals cut one another. Please, guys, we say that's the point of intersection of the diagonals. They want the coordinates. How am I going to find them?
Okay, we're going to be X.
What are you going to use? Before you tell me what to do, what are you going to use? Which formulas?
Is it called the midpoint?
Precisely. Precisely.
Yes, midpoint, yes.
Okay, let's find the coordinates of M. I'm going to put it over here. The coordinates of M. You saying, carry on, I'm listening.
X equals to?
Yeah. I'm listening.
Should I just say it or should I first write the formula?
You don't have to tell me the formula. You just have to give me the answer. It's quite easy to do this one.
The answer is...
You add your two x values and you halve the answer, correct?
3.
You add your two x values. Listen to what I'm saying, goodness. You add your two x values and you halve the answer. That's your midpoint formula.
Half.
You agree?
3 minus 4 is -1 divided by 2 is half.
That's it, -1/2. Okay, the other one quickly is 5 minus 5 is 0. You agree?
Yes.
0 divided by 2. Unfortunately for the 0, it stays 0. So that was easy. But what made it difficult for you is that you didn't have the x and the y value here. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now, once the x and y is there, it's easy.
It's easy, yes.
Very, very easy. I'm going to do the last part of your question now with you, and that's the question for the viewers at home, where they ask us that they tell us for the triangle ABC, that triangle over there, we want to find the coordinates of the centroid of this triangle. Okay, goodness, I'm going to give you a big tip. It's all easy now because we found the values of x and y. That was your big problem.
Yes.
Now listen to what I'm saying and make a big note of this. If you have a triangle, and they gave you all the vertices, they gave you all the coordinates for the vertices.
Yes.
In other words, there's nothing that's missing in terms of coordinates. To find that centroid, you add the 3x values together and you divide it by 3. And you do the same for the y values.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this one, we're going to say 3 minus 4 is -1, plus 1 is 0. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so my centroid x coordinate is 0. So in other words, to find my centroid, I add my 3x values, xa plus xb plus xc, divide by 3. We've just seen, goodness, that it's 3 minus 4 plus 1. So 3 minus 4 plus 1, that gives me 4 minus 4, which is 0, and the x value for my centroid is then 0. Now I can only do this if I've got all 3 coordinate pairs. I just now need to find the y value for the centroid, and I do the same thing. Ya plus yb plus yc divided by 3. Okay, let's quickly go up and get those coordinate pairs. Let's do it on the screen. 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus the 2 gives me -2. You agree?
-2/3.
There we go. So there's my centroid. My centroid then has coordinates of 0 and -2/3. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Goodness, thank you so much for phoning us. I hope you do phone us again from the beautiful province of Limpopo.
Yes.
Okay, did we help you? I hope it helped you.